So you'll see the nephew's car on the channel before. We did the arms, we did the suspension. He had some wheels and stuff, but now he thinks it's a little too quiet. See that? See that? What's that? What's that? Fast Intentions. Holy shit. This guy's stepping his game up. No trumpets here. We're going to throw on some Fast Intentions exhaust onto his G today, his 6-speed G. Come along for the ride, for the hilarity, and let's see what this kid could do with some tools. But first, I gotta move these two things. What a pain in the butt. I need a shop. Whoopsie. Put it there. So I love the factory tone. It sounds really nice. It's not too aggressive. It's not too quiet. It's not trumpety. Give it a couple revs. Good rev. There you go. OEM exhaust, beautiful as a daily. Just sometimes enthusiast wants a little more. Where we have, once again, our Fast Intentions that comes in. You can shut it off. Beautiful, clean exhaust. Here we go, we got the exhaust laid out. Brand new, shiny, beautiful looking little thing, man. And then we have Old Faithful factory old exhaust with a big old suitcase in the back. Go ahead, look, take this PB Blast. Every joint, soak it, right? And also hit the hangers with it. So yeah, all them screws hit it, all the hangers hit it, and then up here hit these two also. Yeah. Okay. I forgot how tiny these things were, man. Look at it. It's like, yeah. I got like smallish hands, or maybe like average hands, but look how small this pipe is.
Safety glasses.
Mr. Work on Nissan needs safety glasses. The ridicule has begun. Let's give him something a little better. Here you go. God. Here you go. Where it at? There you go. Now he can safely spray the bolts and nuts.
And I'm safe from COVID-19 too.
What do you think? He don't know about the safety squints. I gotta teach these kids. See if this Nissan employee could figure out how to take this brace off. I hope so. Goodness. I don't know yet, but I believe we could use the Fast Intentions with that cross space though. with the motor dyne, it just never would work because the motor dyne is just so big. It hangs a little low. So that brace was 12 millimeter. The bolts here are mostly 14 millimeter. But while this is hot, let's go ahead and do this. Let's see, yeah. Okay. Impact it is.
Impact time.
That bitch ain't moving. Whew.
For real muscle.
All right, he talking smack. Let's see. I loosened it for him.
Flush them knuckles though.
I loosened it for him. All right, don't shake the whole car now. This lift is not that kind of
I'm
lift.
gonna hit my head.
Yeah. Yeah! That is some roti power, boy. That is some island roti power. Shit! All right, that's enough. Crack the other one. I mean, wait, hold on. This lift shaking a little too much. So, 4-post lifts, you can either anchor it down or you can leave it loose. I leave it loose so I can shift a little bit. I think it's impact time. Let's chance it a little bit. I do have my factory cats over there with the studs in it, so if we ever break one, we could just put my cats on. See if you can get to that. Put on 3. Yeah. No, I think 3 is the what you use for the torque busting.
Which one?
I don't know. Okay, fine. Try that one. I need to read the manual.
It's been a while. This is not my. Oh, I need a
Extension and a universal.
Yeah.
Crack it for now. I'll show you. All right. You give that a universal joint a little less twist.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, there you go. Nothing? Woo! That bitch is on there.
Oh my God.
Let's hope we don't snap that fool. We lose a lot of torque with our universal joint too. There we go.
Hey.
Man, these should crack fine. They're silvery. They're not rusted out. Oh, I guess they're pain in the dick too.
Oh crap.
Woo. I seen that damn wrench bending. All right, that's fine. Just crack them. Okay, don't shake the whole lift. Okay, stop. Let's go impact. Still not that comfortable with this lift yet, and it's shaking like crazy like that with people under it. So we're fighting with these bolts. Rusty kind of sees exhaust bolts. It's kind of the territory. But then we was remembering, after we take this exhaust, we're going directly to the dump. So why are we effing with bolts? Yeah, once we get the front cats free, who cares about the rest? So you know what?
Okay.
It's time to do some cutting.
Shoot up.
Yeah. Trying to see which way. I guess we go start from the back.
There we go. Hit it from the back. Whoa.
Jesus.
Whoa.
Jesus. I'm trying to run a PG-13 channel here. What the hell?
To work.
So we got that loose. I think we finish off getting the cat bolts off. We have that hanger hole in there. Get the suitcase down. We just gotta worry about that one nut. Okay. So here's a look at the hardware Fast Intentions sent us. We have the 3-piece that's going on that end, and then we have the 2-bolt that's going on here. I did tell Smarty Pants to order new gaskets for on the cat side. He said no. They said reuse it. This is all grooved up and stuff. Don't listen to Fast Intentions, and don't listen to your nephew crying about a $10 gasket. Order new gaskets. When we put this up and we hear from it being leaking, he's gonna have to find a way to fix it himself. He's looking at me shaking his head. But I think he's probably going to get the Resident Half-Low cats, so when he does that, I will scumbag him into getting new gaskets. So you're going loosely, kind of attached. Look at the smoke coming out of his ears, trying to figure it out.
Oh, yeah, you cool.
Good job. Good job. Goodness. Get the gaskets, loosely put on some bolts and tighten it up.
So which way do I put them on though?
It's no preference. It's either bolt in the front, nut in the back. Huh?
Which face is the wild pipe on that side?
Okay, let's let him think about
Is
this
the wild
one.
pipe on that side or that side?
Let's let him think about this one.
Let's see.
Where was the factory white pipe? What is a white pipe? He may not know what is a white pipe.
From the catch to the original, you're right.
Exactly. So from the cat side. So we don't need to point to the rear of the car. We need to point to the front.
So go like that.
Yes.
Or do you want to grab the bolt or the nut? I don't know.
Either way, that's your preference. I would probably put the stud in front and the bolt in the back. Put the stud in front and the nut in the back. Sorry. Paying attention at what this boy do. Roasting section. This is in line, so that is right. But look at this side.
What? Oh, shit.
You're right. Now you see it. So we couldn't offer it up in a second. Flip that over and fix that. In the meantime, we hung the exhaust sides. And it looks really nice, man. Looks really, really nice. We just got to put that up. Offer everything up. Cinch it down. You see the big difference? That end flat, this end flat. Funny how that works out. Bitching, I told I had a hand problem, keep my hands clean. He bitching about his. We got everything up.
Man, they need to be bleeding with their hands, dude.
Shut the hell up. We got everything up. A couple things to note on the coupe. Need to bend this heat shield out of the way. It was touching right here. This heat shield tip we bent right here. Got everything lined up. We put everything up as you've seen in the time lapse. Push it up to tuck it into the car and tighten everything down. There's no shields or anything touching. Everything is free. There's one thing to note on the new Fast Intentions. This joint right here. So you see that clamp? Normally we would see clamps like this on exhaust that has no bolt flanges, and it would just slip in and bolt together. What they're doing now, I guess it's a new revision, in order to truly get the two ends and the two tips aligned correctly. This side, the passenger side, is all stationary, but they have this flange here to allow you to slacken the driver's side and actually rotate the entire driver's side so the tip would be level and to match the passenger side. So that's kind of cool. So we're going to just drop it down, take a look at it, or probably get a ladder too and see. But down here it looks like they lined up and they're level really nicely. So let's drop it down. Well, let's wipe it down first. We wipe it down, so in case it is lined up and we don't have to raise it back up, we don't have to go back under the car. Get yourself a good glass cleaner, Windex or anything like that. No fancy stuff in it, just plain old Windex. Windex is a really good exhaust or pipe cleaner. It really strips everything. You want to get all your oils and fingerprints and everything off the exhaust and wipe the whole thing down, because if you have your oils or grease on the exhaust and you start it up, it will actually stain the exhaust. So very important, spray your Windex on here and wipe it down, clean everything properly, rub up your shaft a little bit, and then we'll be one step closer to starting her up. So we're looking at it. I think positioning wise it's really close, but when you look at it level, the driver's side is a little droopier. I mean, it's so close. We could probably just rotate it a little bit and raise it up. So let's try that. I think we got it close enough for government work. What do you think, guys? Put in the comments. I mean, we could spend like the next hour finagling this and getting it perfect. Get a bunch of measuring utilities and stuff like that, but yeah, close enough for government work. Make sure you're neutral. Whoopsie. Oh, That's deep. That's deep. Look at the cheesing. Look at the cheesing. All right. Just give it a second. I know the engine's still probably hottish. It's not too cold. But just give it a second. Let some oil go around. Huh?
You always gotta give it some time.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead and give it a rev.
Oh my god.
Little. Damn.
That shit is gnarly, dude.
Yes. Yes. Rev. Fast Intentions, man. The best exhaust on the market. Motordyne and Fast Intentions. Screw your Tommy shit. That thin ass, paper thin titanium bullshit you guys be chasing down with your dicks in your hands going, ah! F that noise. Good friggin' thick walled stainless exhaust, bar none for VQ. All those single exit noisy boys. Yeah, y'all could suck it right now. 100%. Motordyne, Fast Intentions. I just don't care. I don't care. Make hate in the comments. I don't care. The sound is enough. It speaks for itself. Rev, give me a rev. Stock cats. He's gonna get resonated. High flow cats. It's a daily. We don't want that stinky ass smell. So that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. We're gonna jack up the car again. Put some rags on each side one at a time and see if we hear any hissing at any of the joints. Let's go see how this sounds, but let's kick this kid out of the driver's seat. All right, get out. How you got here, man? I gotta take an hour to move this seat forward because of this Jolly Green Giant and this shit. We haven't drilled a VQ in a while.
Oh man.
The power band is nice. It sounds good. It's not too aggressive, man, but it just sounds great. Mirrors are all messed up because of this tall fool, but
Can't see shit.
yeah, I can't see none behind me. It feels great. AC's on.
It was hot, dude. AC's gotta be on.
Jeez.
If you take the AC off, you get like 5 more horsepower in there.
I gotta mess with his thing. Somebody behind me? Anybody behind me? Fix mirror. God damn it. Alright, I can't go down the first, we'll do a second. You gotta learn that quick shifts, man.
Oh, like karate, dude.
Well, you don't grab it, just slap it. No, it sounds great. It sounds nice. It's still very subdued because of the factory cats.
Yeah.
From outside, you'll probably hear it better.
Maybe you roll the windows up and kind of tilt the center.
I don't know. The G is very luxurious. It's not a sports. It's a sports luxury car. So there's a lot of more sound deadening in the car. So you don't really hear it as much with the windows up, like you in a 350 or 370. Gotta make a big old U-E here. These damn barrels in the way.
Yeah. Oh shit!
We got
broken loose.
Yeah, it's easy to break loose.
Yeah.
We gotta work on your rear bushing. Your rear bushing is broken. And probably put some subframe colors, but it pulls good. It sounds nice. It has no intakes, but yet you hear a lot of induction noise.
Whooshing, man.
Yeah, so it's nice. It's great. It's great.
It's so much better.
Yeah. You happy?
Oh, I always excited for this day since like a couple of weeks ago, dude. Since I clicked purchase on that $1 million exhaust or whatever it cost.
Just couldn't wait.
I couldn't.
That's cool. So with that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully learned something. If not, entertained. Let me know in the comments what you think. And until next time, guys, you all take it easy.
See you.